Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you want to go to the safe mode, first we need to open the power menu. So I'm gonna go to quick settings over here, or the control center, and in the upper right corner we have this power button. We're gonna tap on it and then just press and hold your finger on the power off button, and after a second it's going to turn into the safe mode button. So tap on the safe mode icon in order to then reboot your phone. And now, once it turns back on, it's going to be in the safe mode. So let's wait for that. You just wait for the phone to turn back on. Just be patient. And there we go. This is how it looks like. As you can see here, we are indeed in the safe mode. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, you just have to restart your phone. So once again, I'm just gonna go to the power menu. We can tap on the restart over here. And once your phone reboots, you are going to be back into the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Keep in mind that if you go to the safe mode, then the airplane mode is going to be activated. So remember to turn it off once you go back to the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.